Do you ever feel like your debt is this invisible chain that just won't let you move forward? You make payments month after month, but somehow, the balance never seems to shrink. High-interest debt is one of the biggest obstacles standing between people and financial freedom. Many credit cards carry interest rates of 20% or higher. It's like trying to fill a bucket with water when there's a giant hole at the bottom. Carrying debt is like investing against yourself at a 20% loss. Every dollar you pay off is like locking in a guaranteed 20% return. Debt has an emotional price. It creates stress and limits your choices. There is a way out. It's called the Debt Snowball Method. Step 1. Write down every single debt you have, from smallest to largest. Step 2. Make the minimum payment on every debt to stay current. Step 3. Take every extra dollar you can find and throw it at the smallest debt. Why smallest first? Because paying it off gives you a huge psychological boost. Say you have a $500 medical bill, a $2,000 credit card, and a $7,000 car loan. Once the first debt is gone, that freed up money rolls into the next one. Some prefer the debt avalanche, but the snowball works better for most people. Personal finance is 20% knowledge, 80% behavior. Once you're debt-free, you can finally build wealth. Imagine the freedom of not owing anyone a dollar. So remember, list debts, pay minimums, attack the smallest, and roll the momentum forward.